What's up, crypto enthusiasts? And welcome back to the channel. We are diving deep into the exciting world of cryptocurrency this week, catching you up on all the major headlines that unfolded between May 1st and May 9th, 2025. It's been a truly packed week with significant movements and developments across the board. So let's waste no time and get right into the action. The absolute biggest story dominating the headlines this week has undeniably been Bitcoin. We witnessed BTC making some incredibly strong and decisive moves, confidently pushing towards and even successfully breaking through the significant $95,000 mark. There was a palpable buzz and lot of discussion throughout the community and among analysts and the potential of hitting the major psychological $100,000 level in the near future. I think it hit $100,000 mark yesterday. But anyways, experts were quick to point out several key drivers behind this upward momentum. Firstly, we saw increased interest and capital flowing in from large institutions, signaling growing mainstream adoption. Secondly, there was a noticeable surge in participation from individual investors, further boosting demand. On top of these factors, the broader macroeconomic landscape played a crucial role. The anticipation of potential interest cut rates by the US Federal Reserve seemed to be adding significant fuel to the fire, making alternative assets like Bitcoin look considerably more attractive to investors seeking better return. However, as is often the case in the crypto market, it wasn't a completely smooth, straight shot upwards. Later in the week, after that strong rally, Bitcoin did experience a bit of pullback, settling and consolidating around the $94,000 range. This slight dip is largely being interpreted by market watchers as a healthy and necessary consolidation phase following such a rapid price increase. We are currently keeping a very close eye on key technical levels, particularly that unfilled gap on the CME futures chart, which many traders see as a significant point of interest. But of course, this week's activity wasn't just confined to Bitcoin. We saw significant action and development with other major players in the cryptocurrency space as well. Ethereum or ETH showed some really good momentum early in the week, especially with the highly anticipated Pectra upgrade scheduled for May 7th, creating a lot of positive sentiment. While ETH did experience a slight dip later in the week, similar to Bitcoin, many investors and developers are watching very closely to see how these crucial long-term protocol upgrades will ultimately impact its price and overall ecosystem. XRP also had its moment in the spotlight, although it saw a bit of a pullback after reaching a recent high point. Beyond major coins, this week was absolutely packed with specific events and important developments across a variety of different projects and protocols. We saw several significant token unlocks taking place, including for Sui, Enna, Move, and Apt. These unlocks were previously restricted are released into the market, always bring the potential for increased market supply and can influence price dynamics. On the development front, there was some truly significant network upgrades. Thorchain implemented its mainnet 3.5. IOTA launched a new mainnet. Casper underwent its Crescendo hard fork, and Casper rolled out its version 2.0 upgrade. Keep a keen eye out, as a major announcement was also expected this week from a prominent zero-knowledge project, which could have significant implications for privacy and scalability in the crypto space. Even the world of meme coins saw activity, with Baby Dogecoin launching a new initiative called Puppy Fund, aimed at engaging their community. In the world of exchanges and institutional involvement, there was some truly big news that broke this week. Coinbase, one of the largest crypto exchanges globally, made a significant strategic move by launching BTC and ETH futures trading specifically for their US users, expanding their product offering in an even larger and more impactful development. Coinbase reportedly agreed to acquire the well-known crypto options trading platform, Deribit, in a massive deal valued at around $2.9 billion. This acquisition significantly expands Coinbase's reach and capabilities within the derivative market. We also saw MicroStrategy, a major corporate holder of Bitcoin, reportedly adding even more Bitcoin to their existing holdings, reaffirming their commitment to the digital asset. Furthermore, the Ethereum Foundation continued to support ecosystem growth by distributing over $32 million to various projects and initiatives. On the regulatory front, things continue to be a key area of focus and are still actively developing. The potential vote on the Genius Act in the US Senate was a key point of discussion, and and anticipation this week, as it could have significant implications for the regulatory landscape of digital assets in the United States. We also saw positive movements at the state level, with Arizona creating a Bitcoin and digital asset reserve fund specifically for unclaimed cryptocurrency. Similarly, Texas is reportedly moving forward with a bill aimed at establishing a similar Bitcoin reserve for the state. And of course, the ongoing situation surrounding FTX and their second repayment to creditors remain a significant and closely watched story in the news. Looking at the overall market sentiment throughout the week, things were a bit more cautious compared to the strong price movements we saw initially. The widely followed Crypto Fear and Greed Index was notably showing fear, suggesting that investors are currently waiting for more clarity on potential regulatory developments and other major market events before making significant new investments or moves. So, there you have it. That absolutely wraps up our detailed crypto news recap for the period of May 1st to May 9th, 2025. It was a dynamic week characterized by notable price fluctuations, crucial project updates and advancements, major business deals and acquisitions within the industry, and ongoing important discussions on the regulatory front. What are your thoughts on this jam-packed week of events in the crypto world? Which headline do you think was the most significant? Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. And if you found this recap helpful and informative, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates and in-depth crypto updates. Thank you.